I bought this truck a couple of years ago, back when many dealers were marking up the price of new trucks. I was lucky to find a low-mileage, rust-free truck that fit my budget with lots of comfort features. I work from home and don't put a lot of miles on my baby, but I do manage to enjoy it on weekends and holidays. I try to keep the Lincoln in the garage most of the winter. Today, I'm taking the pickup in for my first oil change. Come join me.
When did you last change your oil?
It's almost been 2 years.
The longest Ford recommends for a 2006 Lincoln Mark LT pickup is 5,000 miles or 6 months, whichever comes first.
Did I ruin my truck?
These Triton engines can have oil flow issues if the oil breaks down, but you might be fine. Let's pull a sample and test it. You will know for sure.
To test the oil properly, I'll need to know what type of oil and filter were used and roughly how many miles were on the truck when it was changed.
Let me check. I think I still have the receipt in the glove box. They used a Wix filter and Mobil 1 5W30 high mileage full synthetic.
Perfect. That's exactly what I needed. Jody, I will be sending this to Blackstone Labs. I will call you to discuss the results.
Thanks, Rick. I look forward to hearing from you. Hello?
Hi, Jody. This is Rick from the Oil Exchange. I've got the Blackstone Labs test results and wanted to walk you through them.
Jody, before we get into numbers, let me tell you something important.
You chose an excellent full synthetic oil, the kind that keeps protection even after long stretches of sitting.
And that top-notch filter you used? Perfect call. Many folks skimp there, but you gave this engine exactly what it needs.
Okay, Jody, let's look at what the lab actually found.
Iron is just 12 parts per million, well below the 21 we'd normally see. That tells us your moving parts are barely wearing.
Aluminum is at 4 parts per million, right on target for this engine.
Copper is 4 parts per million, also excellent. Nothing here shows abnormal wear.
Total base number is 3.5. Plenty of acid fighting reserve. After 2 years, that's excellent.
You were fortunate this time. Going 2 years without an oil change caused no damage.
My guidance, don't push that Triton engine beyond 12 months without changing the oil. If you drive more than 7,000 miles in a year, change it sooner. Keep using the best oil and filters.
Rick, thank you. I was sure I'd ruined my truck. This is the best news I've heard all week.